Feeling hot? Why not create yourself a DIY shower? As you can see, we got ourselves a circular container using a lighter to create heat so I can make holes, and water is going to flow out of these holes. Then I'm going to make another hole for the PVC pipe. This would be used as our handle and as the pipe. After that, I'm going to take two oil containers that are 4 liters each, and I'm going to glue them together with hot glue. After that, I'm going to take one of the lids and make a hole so I can fit the PVC pipe. Then I'm going to take the other lid and make a hole so I can install a bike valve. After that, I'm going to join these two containers with a pipe so air could flow into the other bottle and vice versa. After that, I'm going to plumb it all together, starting with the shower head. I'm going to put a clear PVC pipe. I'm going to cut it with the scissors, then install a ball valve. After that, I'm going to install a one-way valve and put it all together.
Captain, I found something that will greatly assist us. You won't believe it, but I see something similar approaching the light now.
This is the DIY shower, and we're gonna put it through its paces. As you can see, this is the shower head. You can easily open it and change your shower head easily, or you could always put soap inside and then close it and it's ready to go. Activation is actually pretty simple. As you can see, we got the pump on the top and then the battery is right at the bottom. All I have to do is just connect the battery terminals like that and it's ready to go. Now let's take the shower. Let's begin. As you can see, it has a nice good pressure. And now, let's shower. What is it good for? Absolutely nothing, babe. Here, huh? What is it good for? Absolutely nothing. That. Switch it back on. Time to rinse off. Woo. I feel good. Da, 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 da. Look at that. And you disconnect it. Just like that.